Hey guys, Lynette here, and today we get to re-subscribe and reintroduce the LD box. So let's get in and let's get into it, guys. Okay guys, so welcome back. I am super excited to re-feature this subscription box on the channel. The beauty of this one is it's just one price. So unlike many fashion and accessory subscriptions, you have options here. So these are curated just for you, and the difference between this and things like Stitch Fix and Trunk Club is that there's nothing that you have to send back. Everything in this box is totally yours. It's yours, and it's yours for one price. That's the beauty of this one, and it's way cheaper than those fashion subscription boxes, most of them out there. And I have a special $5 off coupon code so that you guys can take a look and see if this is for you. I know for me, a lot of times when I make my decisions, it's based on unboxings just like this. So if you guys dig different subscription boxes and you're like me and you just love to check them out, definitely make sure you like and subscribe so we can share everything that we're subscribed to on this channel with you guys. So first, let's talk about LD box right now, because this is like literally hot off the press of my mailbox. So my son just brought this inside and I am super excited. This is a $30 monthly subscription that you can take advantage of, or if you use the code, and I'll put it down here somewhere below, if you use the code Lynette5 with a link in the description, you'll get $5 off. So your first box could be, or it will be, $25. Now the cool thing about LD box is that they have, let's just say if you kind of want to not take a chance, but if you're not too sure if you want to commit to a subscription, you can get one box for $35. You can still use the code Lynette5 to get $5 off. So you guys take a look. I resubscribed. I put a pause on my subscription for a couple months because I wanted to add a few other subscriptions onto the channel. But as you can see, I am resubscribed and I am back in at it. I'm super excited to reintroduce this to the channel. So without further ado, let us take a look and see what is in this box for August. So let's take a look. So you guys are gonna look and open this up with me. So here we go. So here it is. It says August LD Insider. And if I remember, what they did is they showed you, this is like a newsletter almost, and it shows you like the owner of the company as well. That's Deborah. So they show you different things that you guys can get inside the website. This actually, no, sorry, this is what's in the box. Sorry about that. So disregard. This I know for sure. I'm gonna put it to the side. This is a listing of what's in your box, and this one says my box is retail value of $108. So we're gonna also put that to the side because I don't want to take a look. And then every box is curated by a person. So you see here, you'll get a personal note from whoever put your box together. Mine was put together by Marina, and it says almost time. It's here, she says here, it says it's almost that time here in Jersey when kids start going back to school and us parents finally breathe, kick back and relax. That's what we hope this box is for you. So enjoy the rest of your summer. Look forward to what you think about the August box. So there you go. And it's handwritten, and I don't know about you guys, I don't get any handwritten notes in any subscription boxes, so definitely appreciated that, Marina. So thank you for putting together my box this month. All right, so we are gonna dive deep and take a look to see what is in the box together. So already they have me at my heart. So we have here a from Smart Food white cheddar popcorn. So for those of us parents who, my kids start school, I don't know about you guys, but here in Texas, my kids start school, well, my daughter already graduated from high school, so we're past that point, but my son starts 8th grade, so I can't wait to kick back next week and just kick him out the door. And I don't know about you parents, but I'm ready for school to start. So let's get back into the box. Lynette, focus. All right, so I'm gonna put the box down because it's a little bit big. Not heavy, but it's a little bit big, so I just wanna dive deep. All right, so first thing I am pulling out is this hat. and this is a black distress ponytail hat. I love it because I actually don't have any hats. This is a ponytail hat. So ladies, I don't know about you guys, but this lets you put your ponytail out. Let me just show you a photo so that, because I'm not going to put it on right now, but this is what you can do. So you can put your ponytail up there. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when you put a hat on, it makes your ponytail go on the bottom. And usually on days that you put hats, you want to kind of relax, or maybe you're just going food shopping and you just want to kind of throw this on, not have to do anything with your hair. Definitely, I can do this. I can definitely dig this. I can definitely rock this. So I am definitely excited about this one. This hat, let's see, and it basically says what I said. And for those of you guys don't know, there was a contest, well, there was an awards for different subscription boxes, and LD was it was a winner of that award. I forgot what it was called. I don't see it anywhere right now, but they won like the #1 subscription box. So this is not like a run-of-the-mill, come out of nowhere subscription. They've proven, and they've proven to me too. They give you a lot of value. So this box is a super chill box for us. You know, summer's almost over, but you know, not really. So they want you to relax. So this, going back, so this ponytail hat, you could have gotten this in gray, black, blue, pink, or red. This is a $20 value. Sometimes we just need a ponytail or a messy bun day, and for that, we have you covered. This awesome baseball cap features a convenient hole in the back to pull your hair through. Leave it by the door so it's really accessible when you need to have that quick grab and go accessory. I don't know about you guys, but I always need a quick grab and go. Because sometimes you just have that day where no matter what you do to your hair, it's just like, I don't like anything. Let me just put a hat and just go to the store real quick, or just head out to the door, head out the door, get your errands done, and then just come back and relax. So I definitely appreciate that. All right, so let us take a look and see what is next. So here we have some sunglasses, and I love sunglasses. I don't know about you guys, but I do. So these are oversized sunglasses with a soft case. Sometimes bigger is better, especially when it comes to sunglasses. These feature a bold, oversized frame, ripped straight off the runway, and have been fitted with glare-reducing lenses to provide, so you guys can take a look at it more, to provide, full coverage that is still stylish and trendy, included in our signature material drawstring. So these are like super chill too, so you can throw on your hat and just totally chill, while you're driving in the car, or you're just sitting out watching that last baseball game or whatever. My kids don't play sports, so I'm just talking out loud. So anyway, these are minor brown. Let me see, it says multicolor, so you could have gotten this in different colors. Mine is brown, and these have a retail value of $20. I like them. Definitely excited to try to use those for sure. And then the next thing we have here, we have hoop earrings. I'm from New York, so I love me some hoop earrings. So these round sterling silver plated hoop earrings, these shiny hoop earrings are perfectly sized for everyday wear. And then they offer a classic tubular shape that will add polish and finish, or even most basic look. These hoop earrings have been plated with luxurious sterling, and these also have a retail value of $20. So I love hoop earrings. That could have been the best thing out there. And then let me see, I'll put this last, and then we have here a peach oxygen bubble mask. So these, it says it's 2 treatments. I think, this is 1 mask but 2 treatments. You probably have to mix them together. So this one is a $5 retail value. And then this twice the treatments, this beauty mask 2-pack deep cleanses, while leaving your face soft and bright. The peach and papaya extracts give a lovely scent while wearing and and the wash off formula makes removal fast and easy. If you guys follow this channel at all, you guys know I love face masks. I have face mask subscriptions. I have a video on how to use face masks. So definitely I am face mask city here. So I am definitely happy to add this to my face mask my sheet mask collection. So let me see here what is next. So we have black full length plus leggings. So these are cotton. I can feel it. And actually I needed to replace my leggings, so thank you guys for doing that for me. So these are leggings. Oh, and the sheet mask, sorry, the sheet mask was $5 if I didn't mention it. These leggings are also $20. So let us take a look and talk more about these leggings. So the leggings, who doesn't need an extra pair of leggings? I totally just said that. I do. And then a stretchy knit and seamless design team up for a flattering fit on this comfy wardrobe staple. Leggings are a must-have in every wardrobe, especially for those days when you need an easy fit and jeans just won't cut it. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. There are always those days where you just want to throw on a hat and just put leggings and just do what you got to do and come back home and just relax. So this is definitely a good box to come back to, because that's my mode right now. I am definitely in like a Chuck chill out mode right now. So definitely happy. And then we have one more thing, and this is a black and white casual soft t-shirt, and this has a retail value of $23. So let us take a look and see what is in here. So this goes actually with it goes with the pants. So this is like you see there, you see it's black and white obviously, and then you have a v-neck top, and this is a jersey. So this is like a super chill, you know. A lot of the problem I have a lot of times with fashion subscriptions, and I love them for sure. Like I received this, but I work from home, so I don't need to dress up because nobody's seeing me. The only time I dress up are for videos, really, or if we're going out like to a fancy restaurant or something. And then, so this is really the most of the time that I get to really put these clothes on. So this is something I can totally like rock around the house or just go do an errand. So I know some people may not like casual things in a subscription box, but sometimes you just need to mix it up because you're not dressing up every single day of your life. So this is like a super chill. I'm excited about this. I don't know about you guys, but I appreciate it. So I like it. All right, so this adorable tee lends a feminine twist to an old classic design for For the fashion-forward woman. This shirt is generously cut to offer a relaxed fit that will never make you feel self-conscious. So I can actually tell because it's loose fitting on the bottom. So I am definitely happy with this box, guys. My first box back, so I'm definitely happy. So let us do a recap and see what all came in the box. First we have this, and the retail value of everything came to $108. So this is this month's theme, and I forgot to mention that, so I'm sorry guys. Every month they have a theme. So this month's theme was kick back and chill. So I like every single thing that was in this box. So this, we start off with a black and white casual soft tee. So that was one, and then we have, let me bring it here. So we have that t-shirt, and then we have, of course, we mentioned the leggings, which were $20. So we have that's an outfit right there. And then we also have the hat that goes with the whole entire outfit. That's something that I love about them. They put together outfits for you with accessories that go together. So they have the hats, and then you have the earrings, and then you have the glasses. Where are you? You have the glasses. And then we have some extras here with the food. The food are not included with your subscription total, so don't worry about that. And then we have the mask. So once you're done with your chill, you go home and do your mask. So I'm happy that I resubscribed. This is one that I definitely would recommend to everyone because I love the variety in the items every month that you get. It kind of goes with whatever season is out right now. We're in the middle of, Texas is hot, but I'm from New York, so usually in August, that's when it starts. You know, when the kids go back to school, that's when you start wearing like your light jacket and things like that. But Texas, we stay hot like until November almost. So I can just wear this all year round, it doesn't matter. But I definitely recommend this subscription because one, it doesn't kill your bank. It's literally your first box is $25 or it's $30 a month. And then you get like a variety of things that you can just add into your closet. So it's things that you can wear every day. And I'm happy I resubscribed. So I don't know about you, but if you guys have ever looked for a fashion subscription with accessories included, this is the one that I would definitely recommend for you guys. So with that being said, definitely let me know in the comments below, have you ever subscribed to Luxury Divas yet? I'm resubscribed, so I'm back, excited and happy. But have you guys subscribed to Luxury Divas yet? What was your favorite product in this box? I loved everything. I loved everything. And I like that they always give you like a breakdown of what's in your box. And the ponytail hat. How many companies actually have like a ponytail hat out there? So I love that because it's like super chill and it matches your whole outfit. So, and if you look at Luxury Diva box videos, unboxings, you rarely see people getting the same stuff. So I love it because you're not gonna really run into people who are, oh, they're just sending out the same products. No, this is not the same products. Everyone gets something different that's put together by the company. So with that being said, I will stop yapping. All right, so with that being said, let me know what you guys thought about this subscription box. Have you guys checked it? Did you get the August box this month? Again, I will put their information and that coupon code in the description box below. If you use Lynette 5, you'll get $5 off. And if you love subscriptions, definitely make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.